Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a new debit card with Regions Bank. Card setup step by step clearly. To activate your new debit card with Regions Bank, begin by locating the card activation sticker on the front of your card. This sticker will provide instructions and a toll-free number to call. Use your mobile phone or landline to dial the number listed on the sticker. Once the call connects, listen carefully to the automated prompts. You will be asked to enter your new debit card number. Be sure to enter the numbers slowly and clearly. Next, you may be required to provide your personal identification information. This could include your social security number or account number. After verifying your identity, you will receive a confirmation that your card has been activated. If you prefer to activate your card online, visit the Regions Bank website. Log into your online banking account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one first. Once logged in, navigate to the Card Activations section. Enter the required information, including your card number and personal identification details. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. After successfully activating your card, you may want to set your PIN. To do this, visit a Regions Bank ATM or use online banking options. If you encounter any issues during the activation, contact Regions Bank customer service for assistance. With your card activated, you're now ready to use it for purchases and withdrawals. Remember to keep your card in a safe place and report any losses immediately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.